For CB1, today I want to talk about my Independence Day. In the Independence Day, I supporting my I help to decorating my small street, my village, and I watching a carnival about the Independence Day that is set for like Pancasila and others. I supporting Indonesia with first. I visiting your grave that also Independence Day. Two, I help to decorate small street in my village. And the three is I watching a ceremony in my school and the Independence Day. So the conclusion of my presentation is Independence Day is a special day or an important day for Indonesia people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.